You're watching How Leap Let's upload HD videos on TikTok. First, record or export your video in high definition, preferably 1080p or higher. Before uploading, adjust your TikTok settings. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Tap App Settings. Then Video Upload. Ensure the Upload HD option is turned on, which has a toggle for both data saving and Upload HD. Set Upload HD to on. Now when creating a post, tap Next after selecting your video on the posting screen. Before you hit post, look for the More Options text. Tap it and make sure Upload HD is checked. Finally, always use a strong Wi-Fi connection for uploading to prevent compression. This gives you the best possible quality. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.